Meet the Randy's ZInspo, the all-in-one vaporizer that lets you enjoy your session your way. All in one sleek, pocket-friendly device. Compact enough to fit in your palm, versatile enough to handle both 510 thread cartridges and raw concentrates, and with additional storage built right in. Lets you pack your favorite goodies. Inside your ZInspo kit you'll find the ZInspo Vaporizer, ready to use with 510 thread carts right out of the box, user manual, your guide to getting the most out of every session. Here's what's under the hood. 500 milliamp battery. Charges fully in just 80 minutes. The storage compartment. 3 voltage settings. Getting started is simple. Take 2 quick draws or press the button on the bottom of the ZInspo 5 times to power it on. Take 3 quick draws within 1.5 seconds or press the button 3 times to cycle through your voltage options. Green is 2.8 volts, cool, smooth draws with maximum flavor. Blue is 3.4 volts. For balanced vapor and intensity, it's a great everyday setting. Red is 3.8 volts, high heat for bigger, bolder clouds. Once it's connected, the ZInspo defaults to an on state, and there's no auto power off, so your session is entirely on your terms. Swapping your cart or atomizer, the pop-out battery. On the top of the device, you'll find a release button. Give it a press, and the battery base pops out from the bottom, giving you full, easy access to swap your 510 cart or attach the sand quartz atomizer in seconds. No tools, no fuss, just press, swap, and click it back into place. Looking to use concentrates? The sand quartz atomizer is available separately at randys.com. To preheat, take 2 quick draws or press the button twice. You'll see the light pulse with color. That's your signal the ZInspo is warming up. The preheat cycle runs for 15 seconds at a steady voltage. Trigger any other function during that time and it stops automatically, putting you right back in control. On the other side of the device, there's one more thing worth showing off. A built-in storage compartment that slides open with ease. It's the perfect spot to stash a spare cart, a small treat, or whatever personal items you like to keep handy. And because it's heat tough, the compartment holds up against the warmth of the battery, so your goodies stay exactly where you left them in perfect condition. Everything you need right in your pocket. Now that you've seen how it works, here's what makes the ZInspo truly one of a kind. Pocket-sized, always ready. Small enough to go anywhere with an 80-minute charge time that keeps up with your day. The ZInspo comes backed by a 1-year warranty. For questions, support, or to explore accessories like the sand quartz atomizer, extra batteries, or storage containers, visit our product support pages at randys.com. Ready to get yours? Find the ZInspo at randys.com or at your favorite local shop. Wholesale partners, head to wholesale.randys.com or connect with a Randys rep to get it on your shelves. For the full rundown, check your user manual or visit randys.com for FAQs and helpful guides. Randy's ZInspo. Because what you do is your business.